Okay, so so Ava, I'm just going to summarize this last little bit that we went over. In your case, you're dealing with axes that are principal components. So let's say that that you were talking about principal component 3. You already know how to interpret this graph here of arsenic level versus average habitat suitability. The first thing you would do is interpret your graph. And you would just replace the word arsenic with the word PC3. So you would say, instead of saying as arsenic increases, habitat suitability decreases, you would say as PC3 increases, habitat suitability decreases.
Yep.
Step 1. The next thing you would say is, you're probably wondering what PC3 means. Then you would tell your audience what the main contributors are to PC3. Those are the variables that have the highest loading. So you would list them. You'd list them if it was like temperature, precipitation, and cloud cover, you would list them for your audience. Then you would tell your audience which of those load positively on PC3 and which load negatively. Then you would just go through one by one and interpret each of those components. So if this is PC3 and I was talking about temperature and temperature had a positive loading, I would replace the word arsenic with temperature. I would say as temperature increases, habitat suitability decreases. Now, if it were a negative loading for that component, I would replace the word arsenic with the word temperature. And then instead of saying the normal thing, I would flip this around in my mind to the mirror image, and then I would say that. Mm-hmm. So if temperature loaded negatively on PC3, I would say, as temperature increases, temperature increases this way. As temperature increases, habitat suitability increases. Yep. High values of temperature over here, habitat suitability is high. At low values of temperature over here, habitat suitability is low. So the only little trick is in that last piece where you're going through and replacing the word arsenic for the name of whatever environmental component you are. You just have to keep track of whether it's loading positively or loading negatively on that principal component axis. Loading positively, you just replace the word arsenic for the name of that environmental variable. If it's loading negatively, replace the word arsenic with the name of that environmental variable, and in your mind, make a mirror image of the graph. Explain to your audience that mirror image that you're seeing in your mind.
Okay.